Hi guys, and welcome to Garden of Dolls. My name is Evelyn, and today I'm super duper excited because this video is a collab with Create Fabulous for Dolls. Yay! Her channel is wonderful, so definitely go and check her out and subscribe to her if you haven't already, because she makes truly awesome videos that you definitely need to check out. So for this collab, each of us will make DIYs for dolls. And I'm going to make DIY doll food because, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. So let's start! For the first DIY you need a yellow foam sheet, red cardboard, scissors, and a pencil. To make the French fries box, start by drawing a square on the red cardboard. Then cut it. And that's how it's going to look. After, do the following things. Fold it. After, take this small triangle and put it between these two ones. Right here. And that's how it looks. To make the French fries, draw some short strips on the yellow foam sheet. Then cut them. And after, all you have to do is put them in the box. And you're done! These French fries are delicious! Yummy! For the second DIY you need red, green, yellow and brown foam sheets, scissors and a glue stick. Oh, sorry, I forgot, you also need a pencil. Start by drawing 2 circles for the bread, 1 circle for the tomato, a square for the cheese, and a shape like that one for the salad. After, cut them. And to make the bread look more realistic, using the pencil, make some dots on it. And that's it. And the last thing that you need to do is to glue them together. And that's how it will look. It makes me hungry. Let's take a bite. Delicious. For the last DIY you need white and black foam sheets, scissors and a glue stick. And you also need a pencil. Yeah, I forgot again. First, draw 2 circles on the black foam sheet. and one circle on the white foam sheet. Then cut them. And after glue them together. And that's how it looks. And to make it look more realistic, use the same technique as we used for the hamburger and make these dots. What should I eat? Let's see what we have here. There are so many delicious things. What should I eat? I know, I will eat some Oreos. Let's eat one. It looks delicious. Let's try it. Delicious. I want another one, they're too good. Oh, I don't have any left. That's not fair. Okay guys, so that was the video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to check out Create Fabulous for Dolls channel because as I said, she makes amazing videos and yeah. And I will also put her video in the description. So go and check it out. Okay, bye and thanks for watching. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel and also comment down below something nice.